Let's begin by taking a seat. Take a moment to find a comfortable position for you to sit and for you to meditate. Feel your body relaxed and feel your spine straight. As you place your hands comfortably on your lap and close your eyes, allow your awareness to center on your breathing. Feel the sense of expansion every time you inhale, and feel the sense of contraction every time you exhale. As you watch your breath, notice how your heart beats on its own. Recognize that normally this breathing pattern happens on its own. The one who controls your heartbeat, your lungs, and the air that you breathe is the same controller who loves you. Notice how comfortable you are, how safe you are, how protected you are. That is because the universe loves you. Recognize how lucky you are to have this time to meditate, to focus on yourself, and to become introspective. You have this time because the universe loves you. Think about all the accomplishments you had in life. Think about all the hard work that it took to become successful. Dig deep into the last time you had an accomplishment or felt successful. And consider all of the things that you are not in control of. Billions of things had to line up for you to be here, right now, right here. And they all lined up perfectly just for you. That is because the universe loves you. You are cared for. You are special. You are important. You matter. Feel the aura around you change the more grateful you become, the more you recognize how much the universe loves and cares about you. Notice how much lighter you feel, how much more calm you feel, and how much more comfortable you feel. This is because when you recognize that the universe cares about you and loves you, you rise your vibrations and your frequencies. Think about all the times you were worried or scared that something might not go your way or that you might face some hardship. And think about all the things that you worried about that never came true. You succeeded, you made it, you're here now because the universe loves you and is protecting you. Take your time to recognize how much the universe cares about you and how special you are for the universe to bend its laws to protect you and to make sure that you are successful. You are breathing, your heart is beating, and you are here. You are accomplished, and that is because you are guided and protected by the universe. The universe exists within you because that is how special you are. And the more you recognize that the universe protects you and cares about you and loves you, the more you fill yourself with this abundance of love and comfort and joy. Feel your emotions rise to your head as you consider how much loved and protected you are from the universe. Spend as long as you need to feel this sense of appreciation and gratefulness and comfort and love. When you are ready to bring your awareness back into your body, start by doing it slowly. Feel the contact point between yourself and the ground, and gently start moving your fingers and your toes. Rotate your shoulders, rotate your neck gently to bring awareness back into your body. And when you feel comfortable, open your eyes while maintaining the thought that the universe has your back and that you cannot do wrong and that you are guided and you are protected. You are special and you matter, and the universe bends its will for you. That is how special you are. Thank you.